Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do crypto arbitrage with this website called Fragment. Fragment is a website where we buy and sell name, and those names are like digital assets, and once listed on this place, the price to sell those names will be put on it, and which is in tone. Before I dive into the details of this video, I would like to tell you what crypto arbitrage is if you have not heard the term before. Crypto arbitrage is just you buying something for low price and selling it for higher price, and that's all about crypto arbitrage. So how do you do crypto arbitrage with this website? First, you have to come to fragment.com, and what fragment.com is used for is for selling names. And once the names have been listed on this website, for your own part as a crypto arbitrage dealer, what you want to do is to buy the name in a small price and sell it in a high price. And the means of transacting on this website is Tone coin. So if you have not heard about Tone coin before, Tone coin, this is how it looks like. This is their wallet, and this is their website, tone.org. I'm going to show you how to create the wallet very soon, but let me explain how to do crypto arbitrage with Fragment firstly. So the worth of tone in dollar is obviously of about $2 per one tone. So once the price is up here, they are going to display the price in dollar beneath it. You can see the price in dollar here. The first price you are seeing up here is in tone. 5,569 tone is of about $7,040. So, but how do you buy this name in low price and sell in high price? As you can see, fragment.com is a new website that people are rushing to right now to buy and sell names. So how do you get names for low price? And this is how you are going to get it. Once you are on the website, you come to this place where it says price high to low, then you change it to price low to high to show you the low the names that are of low price first. So it's going to filter it, and as you can see, you can see the names that are of low price that you can purchase and later sell for high price. So when you buy, for example, this name, let me click on it. When you buy this name for $2.60, which is 2 tone, when you buy it for $2.60, you can go back and go and list it back for whatever price you want. So as you can see, there are some names that have been listed for high price, and those names have been bought for low price before they are now listed as high price. Let me show you how much Facebook was sold, because Facebook was part of the name sold on this platform. Let me show you how much they sold Facebook. As you can see, Facebook was sold for 60,000 tones, and 60,000 tones is of about $120,000. So you can see Facebook has been sold, and it was sold for 60,000 tones, and 60,000 tones of about $120,000. So assuming you are the one that sold Facebook, did you know that you have become rich like that through crypto arbitrage? And when they sold Facebook, 14th November 2022, and that is last year November, that's when they sold Facebook on this platform for $120,000. So this platform is a good platform to start doing crypto arbitrage. And let me now show you how to sign up to this website, because it have about 3 stages. Firstly, you have to come to this website, fragment.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and you have to create a Tone wallet, and you just have to come to tone.org. Just type Tone wallet on your browser, and you're going to see them here. This is Tone. Then click on it. It's going to take you to this page. But the thing about this Tone wallet is that the features you need, all the features you need to buy and sell and trade those coins, is in the mobile app. So you have to go to Play Store to download the application. But for the sake of this video, I will use PC to create the account for you, to show you how to create the account rather. So once you get to the page, you can create the account on the mobile app also, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use my web browser on my PC here. Create wallet. So once you create the wallet, maybe you are using your PC right now. Once you create the wallet, you have to go and download the mobile app and sign in the wallet into your mobile app, because all of the features you need on to use this wallet is in the mobile app, so it's not really optimized for PC. So, and this is how to create the account. It's going to give you your secret words, and these words you're seeing right now, when it's time for you to create your own account on this Tone wallet, you have to save it. You have to write it down somewhere. Don't forget, because you are going to need it in the next stage. So as for me, I'm just going to snap it. So because I'm going to need it in the next stage, so I'll snap it. Then I'm going to click continue. I'm sure. Then you'll be asked to verify by typing in the names of this number, the one that you have snapped before. So the name that you've saved, you are going to put it there. So for this number 5, the name there is Aya, and for this number 9, it's cheap, and for number 11, it is movie. So, and that's how to create the account. So you are going to set up your password. So I'm going to put in the password I want, and that's it. View your wallet. So as I told you, the mobile app is the one that have all the features you needed to use to make use of this Tone wallet very well. So after creating this account, if you are using PC right now, you have to go back to your mobile app to set it up there, or you can just use your mobile app to create the account from scratch. So once you do that, you come back to Fragment and you click on Connect Tone. You have to connect your Tone wallet to this website before you can be able to buy and sell names on this website. So you click on Connect Tone, and when you download the application, you have to use the application after signing into it to scan this code, and when you scan it, automatically you will be connected to this website with your Tone wallet. And that's just how it works. So after you connect it, you are going to come to this place to search for names, or you might not even search for name. Just come to the platform, filter the names from price low to high. So once you see the names available for low price, click on anyone you like, then you have to purchase it. But another thing is that there are some prices that will change due to time, so you just have to do another filter. And the other filter you can do is just to choose the filter that you want names that are of fixed amount, which is for sale. The names that are for sale are always of fixed amount. They are fixed. That's the fixed price you want to sell it. So as you can see, it says buy for 70. No, sorry, 7 tone, and that 7 tone is of about $9. So that's how to trade crypto on this platform. That's how to do crypto arbitrage on this platform. So guys, if you have any questions about this website, drop it in the comment section. I'm ready to provide you answers. And if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.